In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Amazon account number. This might sound simple, but there's an important detail you need to understand, and I'll explain everything clearly step by step. Let's get started. First, go to Amazon and sign in to your account. If you're not signed in yet, click on the Sign In option at the top right and enter your email and password. Once you're logged in, move to the top menu and click on Account and Lists, then select Account from the drop-down. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage your personal information, security settings, and more. Now, here's the key point. Unlike banks or some other services, Amazon does not provide a traditional account number for regular users. Instead, your account is identified using your email address, phone number, and login details. If you were trying to find an account number, what you actually need will depend on your situation. For example, if you need account details for support or verification, you can go to the Login and Security section. Here, you'll see your registered email and phone number, which are used to identify your account. If you're looking for information related to orders, you can open Returns and Orders and select any purchase. Each order has a unique order ID, which is often what support teams use for tracking. Now, in some cases, people are actually referring to an account ID from Amazon Web Services. This is different from a regular Amazon shopping account. If you use AWS, you can log in to your AWS dashboard and find your account ID in the Account Settings section. This ID is mainly used for technical or billing purposes within AWS services. So overall, there is no single Amazon account number for standard users. Instead, Amazon uses different identifiers depending on the situation. And that's it. You now understand how Amazon account identification works and where to find the details you need. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more tutorials. Thanks for watching.